Gold Coast.
Now, the girls have just gravitated around me. Girls, what do you think of the tux?
A little bit of a Year 12 formal tux, but
It was my Year 12 formal. Now, Kaz, you've won a competition today.
I came second. I was in the air guitar.
Okay, well, to take us out to almost in the New Year's Eve fireworks, can you give us a bit of air guitar? Let's go. Let's all go air guitaring. Back to you, Mez and Lizzie.
Thank you very much to Jules and Anna there.
She's rocking her way out of 2013.
It's not far to go now. We're just...
Firing up.
Everybody, you're allowed to leave the mines. No more mining tonight. Work is finished. Down your pickaxes and enjoy yourself, because New Year's Eve is almost finished. All those children in the mines are just thrilled to be able to come to the surface to watch this. It's an Australian tradition to let the children out of the mines.
Merrick, you've lost
just
your
before.
mind.
What was
He's
that
lost his
whistle?
mind. He's that excited. It was, I think, one of the boats. Anna. Anna's amongst it. I think it was her going off on a boat, or is she amongst the crowd? Where is she?
It's all happening down here. Guys, how excited are you about the midnight fireworks?
Very excited.
Woo! How's your night been?
Amazing. Thank you so much, though.
So did you enjoy Empire of the Sun?
Of course we did, yeah. Great act. Great.
And the midnight fireworks are moments away. What are you looking forward to?
The fireworks, of course.
And 2014, guys. Thanks. Back to you.
If you haven't made a New Year's resolution, you've only got, like 2 minutes?
Have you got a New Year's resolution?
I haven't yet. Quick.
In 2014, I'm going to try really, really hard not to make any references to children working in mines. That's my...
We'll see how long
and I'm
that
pretty
lasts.
sure I can commit to that one. We'll wait and see how we go.
That was
We
random. That was
just
random.
over 1 minute to go. This is Sydney Harbour at its absolute best.
Listen to the crowd roaring, Merrick. They are just going off. Bring on 2014.
You can feel, with 1 minute to go, you can feel the atmosphere building up. It's like a pressure cooker as we just...
Oh, Sydney Harbour is getting ready to shine for the world.
Going
Possibly
nuts.
the biggest firework display, Reg Mombasa. Look at this. You've got,
45 seconds.
Of course, the Opera House ready to explode. Not literally,
No,
but
not
from
not
the
literally.
sails. Fireworks going off there, the bridge. Keep your eyes peeled. It's just going to go off, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. We're now coming up to just on 30 seconds until 2014 as we say goodbye to 2013 here
Farewell.
live at the Sydney Harbour for New Year's Eve.
Farewell 2013.
We're down to the
crowd
20-second
is
countdown
cheering.
now.
Luna Park going off.
15,
Here we go. The big
14,
one.
13, 12, 11, 10,
Farewell 2013.
8,
7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Please make welcome Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II.
It gives me great pleasure to declare open the Sydney Opera House.